I like that view, man. Can you show me that view?
Huh?
Can you show me that view at the back?
Yeah, bro. Look.
So you're telling me that's not a picture and that's the real Niagara Falls?
Yeah, bro.
Who has this on Earth too?
I don't think anyone has this on Earth too, bro. Anyways, bro. So, I know you can't see my face right now because it's like
Nobody wants to see your face, bro. Show the background.
oh no.
Much better, bro.
Okay, all right. Anyways, so let's begin. I'm gonna share my screen.
So this is the Gorilla Guild area?
Yeah, hold on. Let me start over here first. Bro, we'll worry about this thing later. This is okay for now.
Okay, bro, look, you got your last tax on the 23rd, and so did I.
Yeah, so this is periodic bonus. I don't know what like. Thing is, yeah, this doesn't make sense because I had $42 to begin with. I didn't get whatever.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, this is the $42 that I got from land income tax over like 4 days. I haven't used it in 4 days because well, I was busy.
Yeah, it shows same here, man. They changed the thing to periodic bonus.
Yeah.
LIT.
Yeah.
Nice.
So land income.
But I haven't got any since yesterday.
Yeah, I haven't gone. I think they come usually in the evening, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, do you really want to buy new land? I mean, I guess
I want to spend this money. I want to spend this money and I want to build over here. So this is, I think, one of the. I think that this is an extension of the Gorilla Guild city.
okay.
And it's I think 60 cents or something like that. Let me
It's
check.
better, bro.
63 cents.
Ooh.
Pretty sure.
That's not bad.
Class 2 or something like that.
Where's that? Where's that located?
It's at the coast of Tanzania.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
I see.
Yeah, it is. So I think just like maybe go over here, all the way. Just scroll in.
Would there be resources over there?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, there are some resources. It's in the Discord chat too. Like I don't know if you were on that, but anyways, look, this is the outline that was built for the city. It's kind of big. So it's gonna get bigger eventually.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah. Let me see if this guy. Yeah, you see. This is pretty good, man. He made this into like a whole grid thing, so people will have to pass by his land. This is amazing. Like smart.
Yeah, let's go buy it.
Huh?
Buy it. Go down.
I have to.
Buy like right in the center.
I'm gonna buy some in the center, like over here.
Yeah.
$18. Yeah, I'll buy it.
Yeah. Buy it in like a few squares.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So I'm gonna use referral code. Oh, this is the Zoom link I sent you. 1 second, let me copy the referral code from the Discord.
Why don't we do a giveaway for if people use a referral code?
Yeah, we can do a giveaway too. This is King Trip code, okay?
Yeah.
That's his code. Yeah, pay with account balance. It's okay. Let's get it. Yeah, it's land class 2.
Yeah, it's still pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad. We'll get more.
Did anybody else put their code?
I think one guy put it. On. Maybe the YouTube video.
Yeah, let's check the YouTube video, the old one.
Yeah.
I think there may be one guy. Unfortunately, I don't have any land income tax saved up.
That's okay.
We didn't get any yesterday, man. Unfortunately. We didn't get any yesterday.
Yeah, bro. I mean, it says 23rd, but I'm pretty sure I got that before. I don't know. To be honest with you. Okay, that's
23rd.
Satellite. Let me look this. You look at this, bro. Perfect, man. We're gonna get it around the.
No, bro. Get it closer to the center. Because that's where the most traffic is going to be, right?
Yeah, but look at this beach area, bro. Looks kind of nice. Not gonna lie.
F the beaches, bro.
Okay. Yeah, we can get a
Right
lot.
now, you can't even say that.
We got one over here. Where else should I get?
The opposite side?
Yeah, like over here or something.
Yeah, right there. This is a good start to a city.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine, bro. You don't need to get that much for it. Get like 10 squares or something.
That's good.
Then get her in a different corner, yeah.
Details by now.
This will be much easier to
I'll
sell.
just use this guy's code. I'll just use this guy's code for this video. So I'm gonna spend
Okay.
$50 on this guy's video, bro. On this guy's code. Next video, I'll use another guy. I'll drop another $50. So
Yeah.
if people don't leave their codes, honestly, they're missing out. Like just one person dropped their code in the Discord server, and that's where I'm getting it from. So you might wanna
use Tech Shadow's code, right? We use that one.
I think I used that one before because he dropped it on the YouTube channel as well before. Okay, let's go around again. Should I buy the same area or what are you saying? Like,
buy them the box above, like on all 4 boxes. Good, man.
this is huge, man.
Yeah.
Let's look. Who is this, bro?
That feels like it's too far away, man.
Like, yeah, just checking it out. Bro. This is gonna be pretty good.
Yeah.
Let me get it right beside this guy. $12. That sounds fair. Details. Buy now. Let's get it.
So is there any updates on when Phase 2 is coming out? Did we find out?
No, I think before I heard the news it was going to be Q1, but now I'm hearing it's the first half of 2021. So either Q1 or Q2. Let's see. I want this one. Might as well get some over here. I can't afford that many tiles, so
you need a few, bro. You don't need that many, like 10 or something.
Get like
you can get like 9.
Can't get 9.
Get like a 9x9 3x3 square. 3x3. Yeah.
I can't get it. I have a few cents less. I'll get it later. I can get it actually, but
yeah,
I have to get this first, and then I'll get that. Because I'm gonna get the 5%.
You need 2 more. Add 2 more in. Yeah. 8. Yeah, there we go.
There we go, bro. $5. Yeah, there we go.
Get 1 more.
Just 1 more. Let's go. This game is off to a strong start, man.
All 4 corners covered.
Whoa, man, that's what's up. Okay, there we go. Done, bro. It's done.
It's 11:30.
I'm kind of working on like renaming my like properties, like organizing them. So like class 1, class 2, whatever that is. Our kingdom is class 2 for us. I have some.
Yeah.
This is
So there is an update on the website. It shows that the Earth 2 in-game credit is represented by $. Nothing else has changed. That's pretty much the news for today.
This is the same thing. As for the update, it says $, but they just added like Earth, like that's it.
Yeah.
But the value is still 1-to-1 for USD.
Yeah. So if people still want to withdraw.
Yeah. So if you want to withdraw, if you want to sell land, whatever, if you want to withdraw, it's gonna come right over here where this 14 cents is, and it's still like this is still 4,000. Well, this is the value. So if you sell it, like let's say if you sell this for $4,000, you get this 4,000 over here, but it's 1-to-1 to USD, at least for now, until maybe like they have their own like maybe a crypto version of Earth coin release that we talked about in like previous video. Yeah, but until then, this is what it is. That's pretty much it for this video, bro. I just wanted to buy some land.
All right, bro.
That's it, man. Do you have?
Yeah, man. Smash that like button
Yeah, there we go. Smash the
and
like
comment.
and subscribe.
Comment with your codes. We'll do a small giveaway if you guys use our codes.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's look at some of the properties we can give. Yeah, we'll give out some from the Banjo Kingdom.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll give away some.
I think the island is growing a lot. I think Gambia went up a lot.
Yeah,
There's a lot of people buying land over there.
Yeah, for sure.
So I do have some few lands over there, which is worth at least $20 to $50.
We went up 51% in the just
Yeah.
a week or like a week. So it's not bad at all. It's growing.
Yeah, we'll do a giveaway maybe next week or the week after.
Yeah.
For the people who use our codes, we'll check it in our transactions and we'll do giveaway. So use our codes in the description and post it on the thing too.
Yes. Join the Discord link, like it's gonna be in the link. So join that and yeah, we'll just comment your codes.
No, comment it on the YouTube video.
Comment it on YouTube. We're gonna take it from there next time. But also join the Discord server. And yeah, we're gonna give some land over here. So like this is still like close to the kingdom, I guess.
Yeah, and if you guys have any questions about Earth 2, we'll gladly answer it. Just comment down below.
Yeah.
And whatever we know, we're doing our research and we'll help you with anything you need.
Land is worth 43 cents right now.
Mhm.
Good. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. You got anything else to add?
No, man, that's it.
Okay, cool. Until next time, I guess.
All right, take it easy.
Later, bro. Yo. Okay, I'm gonna stop the recording now.